My gosh, it's real. Bless him. He's really trying. Give him, please, just give him a moment for this, yeah?
One of the highest passes in Wales.
He's now overtaken us. What's going on, guys? Oh, so sorry. Bless them.
Watch out.
Yes, you can smell it.
Coming to the mouth of the bar mouth.
Barmouth. Can I have, please, a vegan chocolate and a mochaccino in a tub, please, in a tub.
You walk it and I'll swim across there.
That's what's going to make us
Who
here.
gets there
Look,
first?
people, look, oh my God, people are sitting down. How they got down there then?
I don't know.
They're actually down there on the floors. Rocks.
What kind of thing?
What? Jesus.
There, there's some steps.
Oh, see? So I can even
So
go
you can walk it.
I can cut it. I can cut my distance by that.
Yeah, you've cut off all that bit there.
Look at that.
Can I have a look?
Yeah. We've got clothing. This is sort of holiday place you want to live with clothing. Oh wow. Oh, the smell.
It smells nice. Oh, they've got the fragrance. They've got all the sticks.
Oh, I'm gonna get my money. Our money. Oops. Oh.
Oh, wow, got a good section here.
Oh my goodness. We found our place.
Got every smell you can imagine. Where's the oozes?
Oozes are here.
I got opium.
Yeah, one opium, because I think we're running out. So that's being Barmouth.
The purple moose. Ebenezer is very good.
Very good, we can recommend there. The Mermaid Fish and Chip Shop.
And they say it's the best fish and chip shop in Wales.
Numero uno in Wales. Look at the queue.
How's the fish? I guess
Very
that
nice.
means very good.
So a lovely, lovely day. Thank you.
That's joy.
With Mark.